I created a class so that I could destroy Unity game objects whenever I want to. So I have the zombie game, this loading screen as the level loads. I'm going to remove this blast button. So all you do is use your phone's I'm about to lose already, accelerometer or whatever it's called. Already lost. Um, to move the cannon so that you can fire at the zombies. So see here, zombie escaped. And it escaped because it passed me up, right? Let me do this again. So everything, is an object. And then when I fire the fireball, um, then I have particles, right? And there's particles produced when the zombie is killed. Also, if you've seen the women in the scene, they're also there. You can't shoot the women. And if you do, you lose. So the women can pass me, but the zombies can't. So see, I just lost again because the zombie passed me. And I created a class so that I could basically destroy Unity game objects whenever I want to. So it can be done by a max X, Y, Z value, minimum X, Y, Z value, and also just by time. So I have particles that I want to get rid of, such as mm, the particles that show up when the zombies are hit, right? If I could hit one. So when a zombie is hit, there's particles. I need to get rid of those because it'll just, if I kill 100, 200 zombies, they'll just add up. So I need to get rid of them. So I just set a time based off of the actual particle so I can see how long the particle is and then just put that into my class as a variable. And I could do the same thing with the X, Y, and Z values. So then I ended up using this destroyer in the previous game because I was having problems with particles being destroyed and objects being destroyed when I wanted them. So I would look and I would have 20 of those boxes from Smash Fast still in the game after they had fallen off the platform or whatever. So even if I choose to have where multiple zombies can escape, then all I have to do is put in a value to destroy after they reach a negative Z value. So once they pass me up, then it'll just be destroyed. So it'll get rid of those zombies. The same way that it's doing for the human women in this game. But that's what I have so far for the zombie game, and I'll be sharing more with you soon. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share, comment.